What if you could turn any idea, a prompt, a PDF, an audio file, even a rough script, into a finished whiteboard-style explainer video in minutes, without drawing a thing, without hiring an editor, and without ever opening a video editor or a browser? That's exactly what creators, teams, and teachers are doing right now with an AI tool called Golpo. And by the end of this video, you'll know the exact step-by-step process to do it yourself and how to scale it to a whole content channel. Let's get into it. Here's the truth about explainer videos. The hard part was never the idea. You already know what you want to explain. The hard part is everything after. The script, the voiceover you hate, 3 hours dragging clips around an editor, and it still looks janky, so most people just don't. The video dies in your notes app. The course never gets made. The training doc nobody reads stays a doc nobody reads. And it's not just you. A creator trying to post daily, a team stuck making onboarding videos, a teacher who could reach 1,000 students with one lesson. Everyone's got the idea. They're all stuck behind the editing. So let me show you exactly how Golpo fixes this. You head to the Golpo website, log in, and you land on this clean, simple dashboard. I'll start with the simplest thing possible, one prompt. And it's not just prompts. You can feed it almost anything you've already got. An image, a PDF or Word document, a script you wrote, a slide deck, or even an audio file. Golpo reads it and turns it into a video. It'll do coherent videos up to about 15 minutes long. That's a full lesson, not just a clip. Okay, but a generic AI video is useless if it doesn't match your style. So here's where it actually gets good. You get to control how it looks and sounds. There are two visual engines. Golpo Canvas gives you whiteboard, chalkboard, modern minimal, Sharpie, and more. Golpo Sketch gives you classic hand-drawn looks. Dry erase, crayon, professional clean. Personally, I go with Canvas because my videos are usually pretty technical. But honestly, pick whichever fits your vibe. Now, here's a tip I'd actually recommend. Turn on this edit before creating option. Instead of jumping straight to the video, Golpo writes the script first and lets you review it. So if something's off, you just tweak the text right there before it builds anything. Way easier than fixing the finished video. You're catching it at the script stage. Drop in background music, lo-fi, dramatic, engaging, documentary, even custom music, whatever fits. For the voice, you pick one from 4. And flip the whole thing, horizontal for YouTube, vertical for shorts or reels. And here's the underrated part. It narrates in over 50 languages. You can even have it in any desired language. Huge if you've got a global audience. You can also pick the style of the video, and even turn on a pen-in-hand animation, so it looks like someone's actually drawing it out in front of you. Now I'll hit Generate Script a few seconds later. There's the full script laid out for me to read. And this is the part I love. If anything's off, you just fix it right here. You're editing text, not fighting with a video timeline. Happy with it? Hit Generate Video. And after just a few minutes, there it is, done. Watch that amazing video, a full whiteboard explainer, narration, animation, all of it, from a simple prompt in a few minutes. That's wild. Ready to download and post straight to Facebook, LinkedIn, X, wherever you want it. Now, remember those boxes I skipped the first time? Let me show you what they do, because this is where you go from good to exactly what I wanted. First, voice. You can tell it how to talk and the accent, the tone. So I'll add, speak in a friendly, energetic tone. And second, the video itself.
Where does it go? A notes app, a screenshot, a DM to yourself? Somewhere it gets buried. Deadlines creep up, sponsors want changes. You're digging for the right file, the latest draft, the final caption, again.
Want it more visual? I'll tell it. Show more graphs and charts. Same prompt as before, but now watch the difference. Same idea, but now it's tuned exactly how I want it. That's the whole thing. Start simple, then dial it in. You're directing, not editing. Remember when I said you can make a video without even opening a browser? This is the part most reviewers won't show you. If you're running a channel or a whole content team, clicking through a website for every video gets old fast. So Golpo plugs straight into Claude Code, Anthropic's terminal tool, with a free skill. Let me walk you through the whole setup. It's quick. First, install Claude Code. One command and it's done. Type Claude to open it. Log in once with your account. Then add the Golpo skill with 2 commands. And that's the setup. Now I just talk to it. First time it asks for your API key. You grab it from Golpo, paste it once, and it's saved for good. Then it goes to work. And a few minutes later, it drops the finished video right onto my computer.
It's taking over the tedious, repetitive tasks, automating reports, filtering data, and accelerating research at incredible speeds. But this isn't about replacing us, it's a fundamental shift. As AI handles the routine, our work becomes more human. We are freed up to focus on what we do best: complex judgment, strategic thinking, and true creativity. AI is the powerful new tool, but human oversight and ingenuity now drive the real value.
And here's where it gets interesting for creators. Because you're just chatting, you're not making one video. You can build an entire series. Watch. I asked it to plan a daily AI tool series for my channel, and it came back with a full lineup, a repeatable format, even titles and hashtags for each episode. Then it made the first episode, and while that was rendered, I had it fire off the next two in parallel. And you can just keep going, ask for more whenever you want. A few minutes later, 3 finished shorts, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, 3 days of content ready to post from a few messages. I'll be honest, it literally amazed me. That's the whole game. Plan a series once, batch a week of videos in an afternoon, and never scramble for a daily post again. This is how people quietly run entire channels at scale. No browser, no clicking, just you, chatting, and finished videos coming out the other end. So, if you've been sitting on a video idea because the making part scared you off, this kills that excuse. Link to try Golpo's free plan is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I test the AI tools so you don't waste your money on the ones that don't deliver. I'll see you in the next one.